In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign tasks in Slack. We'll use Slack lists, a built-in feature that lets you track work right alongside your conversations, so you don't have to jump between apps or lose context. To get started, open Slack and look at the left sidebar. Find the More option. If your sidebar is condensed, you may need to hover or expand it to see everything. Click More, then choose Lists. This opens the list home where your team's task boards live. Click New List to create a fresh space for the work you want to organize. Give your list a clear, descriptive name so people instantly understand what belongs there, and consider adding a short description to set expectations. With your list open, it's time to add the first task and assign it. Click Add Item and type a concise, action-oriented task description. Think about what someone needs to do without ambiguity. Use verbs and include any essential keywords so the assignee knows exactly what's expected. Keeping task names clear makes it easier for everyone to scan the list and stay aligned. Next, assign the task to the right person. In the row you just created, find the assignee column. You'll see a cell with a small people icon. Click that cell to bring up the search field, then start typing the team member's name. Select the correct person from the results, and the assignment is saved immediately. This ensures accountability, and it also makes it easier for teammates to filter and see what's on their plate. If you don't see a name when you search, double-check spelling or confirm that the person is part of your Slack workspace. Occasionally, permission settings or membership can affect visibility, and your workspace admin can help if something looks off. Repeat this flow to capture each task. Add an item, write a clear description, and set the assignee. As you build out your list, your team gets a centralized, transparent view of who's doing what, all within Slack. The beauty of Slack lists is that it keeps work close to where discussions happen, reducing confusion and helping you act on decisions quickly. That's all there is to it. Create a list from the More menu, add your tasks with Add Item, and assign each one using the assignee column's people icon and search. Keep descriptions clear, use consistent naming, and your team will always know what to do next. Thanks for watching, and happy tasking in Slack.